Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best IQ option script special for you. And if you not join my telegram channel, please join my telegram channel, link in my description box. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next video and next update. And if you download this script, link in my description box, simply click and download it. Okay, and this is a 100% non-repeat indicator, and this is a signal by moving average and support and resistance. Okay, and simple indicator when skip show up down arrow, you can trade on down. Okay, and when skip show up arrow, and you can trade on up. Okay, simple strategy and simple script. And so let's start trading with this script and indicator. Let's see.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here.